girl. Hey, it's your girl Shay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing this wig from none other than Lasso Hair. So they sent me over a 24-inch straight 150 density closure wig. Now I was ever excited for this wig, but when they said that the unit was glueless, no glue, I was like, sign me up. So this is what it looks like outside of the bag, and they have some little trinkets in here for us, so let's see what they are. So we got some wig caps. Hair companies always send you wig caps, so that's good. We got a elastic band and some extra combs. So here is the first look of the wig outside of the package. So it's definitely giving 24 inches. And here is the inside. It comes with an adjustable elastic band, so you will definitely be secure. Let's see how it fits. I'm gonna put your band on first, then slide it down from the back. Okay, hold on now. That lace looks a little undetectable. I don't know, guys. So we didn't do anything at all to the lace. No plucking, no bleaching. This wig is ready to wear. The only thing we're gonna have to do now is style. So far so good. Let's put a hot comb in her, put a flat iron in her, and see what it's giving. Here I am now just adding some of my finishing powder to the lace. So I used the Maybelline in the shade 360 just so that my lace can blend in with my skin a little bit better. You guys can use pressed powder, you can use a cream powder, you can also use a lace tint. So just a few things that I wanted to mention. So you guys have seen that I took the wig and I put it straight on my head, and that's literally only because it was advertised to be ready to wear out the box. Usually I would customize them, I would wash them, but I wanted to see if this wig would live up to the standard, and so far so good. And I can definitely say that it also takes the heat and heat manipulation well. So far so good. Fingers crossed. Let's see what she continues to give. So this is what she looks like. I literally wanted this tutorial to be as simple as possible. All I did was add concealer to the part, press her out with the hot comb and the flat iron, and that's it. And this wig definitely lives up to the standards that the company is advertising. Out the bag and ready to go. The hair is silky, super smooth. I love the shine. It ain't giving like a synthetic shine, but it ain't look dry like how some human hair companies is look. So far, the only issue I have with this wig is it's a bit thin for my liking. I have more of a full rounder face, so I like more hair on my head. So I would probably go in and add maybe a bundle. Let's put all on this side so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'd probably go in and add a bundle, but other than that, so far we have no bad remarks. I feel like it's giving Morticia. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can be up to date with all of my recent posts. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies,